The Retevis RT68H Walkie Talkies offer dependable long-range performance that suits busy schools, factories, and healthcare teams who need clear contact across large sites. Their concealed, impact-resistant display lets you see channel and battery status at a glance, while staying protected from scratches and rough handling. Each radio uses a robust lithium battery and convenient Type-C charging, providing extended operating time through full shifts without constantly swapping units. The housings feel solid and are built from tough materials that tolerate everyday drops and bumps, making this 20-pack practical for demanding work environments. Privacy and channel stability are helped by the keypad lock and extensive tone options, which reduce accidental changes and limit unwanted interference from nearby users. Audio is loud and intelligible thanks to the strong speaker and noise-reducing circuitry, so voices remain clear even in echoing hallways or noisy production floors.